If you've watched this video till here, then honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Because nowadays, people skip videos in just 10 seconds, but you stayed, and that really means a lot. I just have a small request. If you feel it from your heart, please subscribe to the channel, because your one subscribe is not just a number for me, it's my dream. And in the comments, just write, "I support you," or anything you feel. I read every single comment, and I do reply. Your one comment gives me the motivation to create the next video.